Cisco Firepower and HashiCorp's Terraform series. Infrastructure as code, focusing on day 0 and day 1 deployments. In this video, we're going to create port objects like we've done before, but also add them to a port group that we create. So let's jump into the code itself on GitHub. And we can see a couple things here. We can see that we're creating a object. We are creating both a TCP object and an ICMP object. Then we're creating a group and we are assigning those objects to that group. So let's check out our code. What are we trying to drive towards? So let's look at var.tf, Terraform's.tf vars, which includes the data supporting the variables in var.tf. And let's look at the code itself. So we've got, the provider. We've seen this. We've got the details there. We also got the two objects. So we're going to create a web port, an ICMP port, and we're going to add that to that new port group called T port group 1. And then we've got some outputs at the end. Pretty easy. All right, let's go ahead and run Terraform initialization. And from here, let's go ahead and run Terraform apply. This gives us a chance to look at the plan before we go ahead and accept or decline moving forward. In this case, everything looks good. These are the things that are going to be added. Let's go ahead and hit yes. And this will take a few seconds, especially in my environment with an Intel NUC running multiple different virtual machines on a mini PC. All right, there's the output. Looks good. It says it created it, but let's not trust it. Let's go and validate. All right, we'll do a quick filter here. T's not the greatest filter, but anyways, it's works enough for me, I guess. But TICMP, we've got T web 888. There's the ICMP there. Destination unreachable, port unreachable, and then you've got them grouped together. So perfect, that worked. Let's go ahead and destroy the work that we just done. And obviously this will take a few seconds to do. There's the objects that they're going to remove, or Terraform's going to remove. It's going through that process. All right, let's have a quick refresh of the objects within the port object tab here. Let's go ahead and quickly search. And you can see already we don't see anything on that last page where the objects were kept. Pretty easy. Port objects, creating them, and then dumping them into a port object group.